what I want to do now is I basically want to go through the app and I want to go to the screen on this documentation. I want to basically make it so that I'm going to show you in a second when I tap on the transcription button. What it's going to do is it's going to actually have sort of progress indication of what's going on. So if I tap this, you can see that there is this going on. The problem with it is you know, I need it to be able, I need to be able to see the actual progress going on. But I don't know where to check that out. So we're going to go into the router.
Okay, so it's simple. You do all the fun stuff on stream and all the bullshit. Then off stream.
View. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going down to where we have the record button. And you can see that that's the screen. Let me move this.
Mobile games are going big. Play the official PC.
This will open the webcam. Move it up here. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. So now, you should be able to see when we open this up. Just like I said, we tap on like me. You can see right here at the bottom it says me. And I can even increase the size of this text even more. And when I tap on like back, you can see it's back. And then I have to continue. And now when I say like while sleeping, it just says while sleeping. If I tap on while walking, okay, did it change? No. No problem, you can fix that. Let's go and see what's going on. So why did that not change? It should be an array. It should be an array of values. So let's go over to questionnaire view model. Where is this questionnaire view model? There we go. Questionnaire view model. Back, okay. So what's going on here? Main action. Yeah, this should be a full array. I don't want this to be one single thing. Look at main action. I don't want the first. I want the ones that are selected. That's it. That's all I want. So I'll filter them by the ones that are selected, and then I give you dot. What is this one? So we're getting the ones that are selected. And then we want to get the name that we want. So we're going to filter the one selected, and then we're going to simply get the name. So compact map, dollar sign on the where am I on this, dollar sign 0 dot name. Okay, main actions. I'm going to change this to this, and I'm going to make this an array of students. Okay, now when I run this, it should work. Or no, it shouldn't work. What? Main actions, there we go. Now when I run it, you should be able to see all the different paint options the user selects. Because now, as you can see, it only had while sleeping, but the user might have paint while sleeping or while working, right? So create my plan, back, boom. You can see, you can increase this even more. Make it even more easy for anyone to see. We're going to see that it says back right there. If I go and I add, continue, and then I go, one thing I'm going to do, by the way, I feel like my mouse is way too small, so 1 second, bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and make, let me go ahead and see mouse, and trackpad, the mouse options, okay, what the hell are you going to find that, pointer size, let's make this guy large, okay, there we go, perfect. Large trackpad. It's much easier for anyone to see. There you go, boom. Awesome. Large trackpad is required. So, as you can see, now when I tap on while sitting working, you're going to say while sitting slash working. And then it's going to say while exercising, and then it's going to say during general movement. And this is all going to be used to be sent to AI model to create the diagnosis, right? So if you have pain while sleeping, that might be different compared to while exercising, or while sitting, or while walking, or whatever you need. Perfect. Please go into more depth about back pain. Okay. So I have back pain, it hurts whenever I do lateral raises in the gym, especially on bench press too, and shoulder press. I feel it kind of, okay, not back pain, so shoulder pain, whatever. For back pain, let's just say something else. I have back pain when I do squats, especially at the bottom of the squat. It also hurts when I deadlift too. What makes it worse? It makes it worse when I bend over to pick anything up. And what do I think causes it? I think back form deadlift causes it. When I tap on this, it's going to run the whisper thread, and you should see that it's transcribing it, and boom. And just like that, it's right here. You see, okay, so I have back pain, it hurts when I lateral raises, whatever, that deadlift causes it. Awesome. Continue, rate your pain intensity. Okay, awesome. You can see pain intensity is a 2, I can make it a 10, and if I go down, you can see pain intensity is a 10. Perfect. So this is there as well. Awesome. I continue. How long has the pain been there? You can see 1 day. I tap on this, few days. I tap on this, more than 1 month. I tap on this, 1 month. Awesome. Okay, great. Also, I don't want this to be an option. Why is this optional? Get rid of that. No. You must select the injury, and you must have the duration selected. So don't want this to be optional. Let me get this. It does. Otherwise, we can have, dot back. Or no, I'll just do it here. I'll do guard, I'll do select the injury type, dot injury type, dot first. We're going to go down here, we're going to go dot first. And then we're going to say guard, let's select the injury type, else return, that's a no void function should return a value. You know what, forget it. Forget it. Otherwise, you can draw back down. Okay, let's go. This is still working. I run this. Yes, okay, it's working. Okay, cool, perfect.
Hey, what's up, traders? James Sixman, CEO of Take Profit Trader, and I want to introduce you to our No Fees Ever New Year promo.
Awesome. So, let's just go through and finally figure out how this works, create my plan, go back, you can see that if I continue, what? So why did that not change? Maybe because it's already set to be back anyways in the first place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rerun this and see if I don't change this. So let's go here. Current plan. I will continue. I will select back again. So we didn't change it, add anything. Now while exercising, boom, it's already got back. Okay, perfect, awesome. And if I go back, and I select shoulder, the shoulder, okay, great. Continue while exercising, while doing movement, while whatever, sleeping, whatever, awesome. Now I'm going to continue. We're going to go and
Yeah, Lydia, I'm not like those other girls, okay?
It's going to add the video, transcribe it. Done, awesome.
God, Lydia, I'm not like those other girls, okay?
And then we're going to go ahead and let me know 2 weeks. There we go. If I select week, it's a week. Right here you can see it's a week. If I select 1 day, it's going to say 1 day. Awesome. Great. Continue. Where do you want to do the recovery side? If I tap on gym. Gym. Okay, it doesn't seem to be fixing that one. Oh, no, it does. Gym and none. But what about here? Selected. So it already has them set to be none or Jim, which we don't want that. So what's going on here? If type equals location.type. And, I guess I'll do and location dot is selected. I guess here we just put this one. There we go, yeah. So basically, if we have selected the workout location, whether it's at gym or at home, and it has a type accessible to it, then we add it. So this should prevent that bullshit from already selecting the gym. So if I create my class and have one back, you're going to see while sitting while working, you're going to see, there we go. Selected injury is only going to be none. So for now, none, that's fine. You know, we have selected no equipment, that's okay. And then if I continue, let me just put A here, continue, set this to be whatever, continue, and then I go here again, a week, whatever, and now if I select gym, boom. So we have gym here, okay? But if I select home, okay, awesome. So it removes gym. That's phenomenal. And then I go, so I want to do my recovery exercises at home. I tap on continue, and then you can see dumbbells. It adds, okay, dumbbell plus none. I do this, I can add dumbbell pull apart. If I remove pull apart, dumbbell none. Perfect. If I tap on none, awesome. Great. And then finally, username here, and you've got the user's name. Awesome. So we have the result of the questionnaire right here. So that's done. Now, we need to make it so when we tap on submit, we send this to the backend. So now it's time to make that code perfect. So we have access to the results here. Awesome, great, okay, that's phenomenal. Now I'm not sure why this says .equipment.none. Why is it like that? I mean, why is it just not? Well, I guess it has to describe what that is, right? It's not just .none, it makes sense. Perfect. Okay, we have the results right here inside of this computer property. Awesome. So what are we going to do now? Now we're going to go head over to VS Code and we're going to head over to ChatGPT because that's how we're going to get this done. So I'm going to go over to VS Code. We need to add this model to VS Code. So let's see, to the backend, my backend, sorry. So let's go to equipment type. You're going to see gym, dumbbell, pull apart bands, foam roller, none. This should be the exact same thing inside of VS Code. So let's, we've got VS Code here. I'm going to also increase the size of the text if this is possible. Okay, awesome. Let me also go ahead and bring this down to where we have my, one second, where is this? Here, let's go webcam. Let's click on this, let's bring this down here. And then I will also go bring viewer count. We can probably bring that down there. And then we also probably want. Okay, I think that's fine.
Yeah, Lydia, I like those other girls, okay.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and.
Yeah, Lydia, I like those other girls, okay. Duh.
And we're gonna just paste this here. Gym, dumbbell, pull apart, bands, foam roller, none. Okay, so that's the same. Let's go ahead and just check this as well. Let's go back, injury type. Back, knee, shoulder, back, shoulder. Let's see if that's there. Injury type. Back, knee, shoulder. Okay. Back, shoulder. We need same thing. Like, perfect. So we have this here. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and begin adding this model that we have to the backend so that we can take it, right? I'm going to go over to the questionnaire result. I'm going to open this up. Questionnaire result. It's codable. Perfect. So this allows us to turn it from JSON and back. And JSON is what we use to send. We send JSON data through. For anyone wondering what that is, we can get rid of this. We're going to use all the same size. Perfect. You can even tap option, you know, if you want to, like command option, was it? Or command control option? I don't know, I don't know what's Anyways, this is what we need. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to throw it in ChatGPT, because honestly, well actually I already let's do that. Let's go here, exercise, let's go create a new model. Let's create a file. Let's call it questionnaire results.swift. Enter. Okay, I'll make this even bigger. Questionnaire result.swift. Here we're going to then go ahead and I believe we can just copy this shit. So we have Mongo Kitchen, we have Baker. Do we even need that? Well, you know, that's important. Who cares? We have to follow whatever I'm doing. So let's paste that there. And then what we're going to do is we are going to begin by just saying, I guess, you know, it's final class in the content, codable content. Okay, so I guess you can just have final class. So do final class content. I guess we can also make it codable. And then what we'll do is we'll simply drag and drop this stuff here. Do that, please. Thank you very much. And we'll paste this here. And then we can format that for us.